All right, what's up and welcome to another bike build, because right over here I've got that brand new Shimano 12-speed SLX group set and it looks absolutely awesome in that black and grey. And to complement it, over here I've got my new Scott Spark 900 frame set, also in black and grey, with a hint of gold from the Fox Kashima. First thing, to get this build started, let's get the fork fitted. Okay, so we've got the cockpit dialed in, we've got the bars, the stem, the forks fitted, the headset all greased up. We're now going to move on and we're going to get the wheels, we're going to put the tires onto these, we're going to put the cassette and also the rotors, and then put it onto the bike, and then we can actually get the cables cut and set before we go on to putting the drivetrain onto the bike. Always a bit of a challenge. Look at that, that's one side on. Key tip right here, you want to make sure that you get the bead into the center of the rim. Just gives you a little bit more space to work with. Woo! There we go. So we've got the wheels done. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to press in the bottom bracket, fit the crankset, the rear derailleur, and then get the brake calipers and attach the cables up. Let's get this done. We've got the brakes bled and feeling dialed. Something that is really important to me is that the bite point is identical and we've got that set up now. We've also fitted the wheels. We've got the chain on there. There's no rub from the rotor. Listen to that hub. Sounds awesome. The next step of the process is actually to do the cables. So we're going to get the gear cable fitted and the twin lock too, but we're going to speed through that process and catch up when it goes to adjusting the gears. So there we go, we've got everything cut to length here. It's looking nice and neat. The next step in this process is that we're going to fit the pedals, adjust chain guide, and then run through the gears and make sure that they're running smooth. Gears are set up and running smooth, feeling good. We're going to pop it off the stand, we're going to get the seat attached, and then that is a very finishing detail and the bike is complete. So let's do this. And there we go, my Scott Spark is complete with that brand new Shimano SLX group set. It looks awesome, that 12-speed cassette in the rear, 10 to 51 tooth, 2-piston brake, the new crank set, the I-Spec EV with the brake levers up here. Oh, I am so stoked on it. I cannot wait to get this out onto the trails. If you've enjoyed this bike build, give it a thumb up like, make sure that you have subscribed, and I'll see you guys out riding real soon.